So this one, we use the SMD LED strips with the connectors. We make a comparison for the crystal connectors and the Hippo connectors. So we will see the difference. First, without cover. So first we will check the light without cover. This is the crystal connectors of our own design. This is the Hippo connectors. So we can see the Hippo in two LED between, there was still some different gap. But here, it's almost no gap for them. Okay, so we will see how it works for the light with the cover. So we can see here, this part is the crystal connectors. The light is very uniform and seamless connection. But here, if we see very close to the connectors, the Hippo connectors, you can see this is still a darkness here. So this is the difference. So why you should choose our crystal connectors? We can use more